So here's a look at the three forecasts that we showed you at the very beginning of the season from the Weather Channel and then from Colorado State University and also from NOAA, looking at the total amount of named storms, hurricanes, and then major hurricanes. So what we did is we took all of those values and found an average of all three. The average is coming out right here, 17, 9, and 4. Compare that to the actual number of storms that we got, which was 13, 2, and 0. Now, we still could get a storm, of course, but that's where we stand right now. So based on that and using standard percentages, we came up with a grade for these forecasts as a whole. They get a C for the total amount of named storms, but an F on hurricanes and also on major hurricanes. Now let's compare that to climatology, which is basically the historical averages. So on average, over many years, we've had 12 named storms in a season, 6 hurricanes, and 3 Category 3 storms. Again, comparing that to the actuals, we come up with grades of A, D, and F. So climatology actually did a little bit better than the seasonal forecast. It was not a very good seasonal forecast. And on top of that, seasonal forecasts don't really tell you very much about the impacts. Consider the 2010 hurricane season. We had 19 storms, 12 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes. That's a lot of activity, but the impact in the U.S. was minimal. There were only 2 landfalling tropical storms. Now compare that to 1992, when we had far fewer storms, 7 storms, 4 hurricanes, 1 major, but that 1 major was Hurricane Andrew, and we all know what happened there, a terrible storm in South Florida. So seasonal forecasts don't tell you very much about what is actually going to happen in a given season.